Morning students. So today we will make ship of the desert. That is camel. Yes. So let's start. First we will make a oval. So this is an oval. On the top of the big oval, we will make two vertical ovals. Down, we will make vertical lines. One thing you have to be careful is that your vertical lines are not small. It should be somewhat same like the oval. Similarly, also in the front, we will make three vertical lines. Now for the neck, we will make two straight lines and then make a curved line, and from the legs portion we will make another curved line which is connecting with the straight line. At the same height as the standing oval, we will make a sleeping oval. This is supposed to turn into a head. Then another small oval. Another one. Now students, we will make the feet. One thing that you might have observed about camel is that they have broad feet so that they are able to walk easily on the sand. Now we draw the tail, so now we will remove all the lines which we don't need. Do you know, children, a camel can drink 130 liters of water in 30 minutes? And let's give a shape to the hump. Children, here you might see that the camel has two humps. There are two types of camels. One has two humps and another only one. So if you want to draw camel with one hump, then you just make an oval right in the middle. So this camel has two humps. So here we are adding some details. Mouth, eyes. So our camel is ready. So now let's take the sketch pen and make our lines dark. So now our camel is ready, and we will once again use eraser and remove all the lines which we don't need before we start coloring. So now let's start coloring. Here we are using light brown color. So students, our camel is ready. So now you take a paper and you make your own. And don't forget to send it to my WhatsApp number. Bye.